Kia ora. My name is Veranoa Hetet. I'm a weaver and an artist. And to me, weaving is more than just a craft. To me, weaving is home. And as I say a lot, I weave, I breathe. I have such passion for this art form that I have been blessed to have grown up surrounded by. And I want to bring the passion that I have for this art form to you. So on this channel, I'll be sharing techniques of Raranga and Tāniko. I'll be sharing ideas, hopefully ideas that you may be inspired by. I'll be sharing the stories of some of the things that I've created. So I hope you join me, whether you're already a weaver or if you're just beginning to feel that pull of the harakeke and you want to start somewhere. I hope that you find that this is the place for you. So if you subscribe, you'll probably get my videos delivered to you easier and sooner. Okay, so I look forward to sharing time with you on this YouTube channel. Weaving together, weaving stories together. Kia ora.